James Akers here, the tie guy. Changed my setup a little bit so I can have a mirror to actually look at because we're doing exotic knots. Today, we're going to tie the tornado. Now, the tornado is it's a hard knot to tie, I'll just be honest with you. Trying to get it perfect and everything else, that's why I wanted this behind me. And I'm not going to do a review today, we're just going to jump straight to tying the knot. First thing to point out about the tornado is you tie it with the back of the tie, not the front of the tie. The full Windsor we normally tie, we tie with the front. So this is going to be from the back of the tie. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to find a spot here. Now I'm going a little bit shorter here for the purpose of demonstration because the tornado takes a lot of this, a lot of the back of the tie. So you either need an extra long tie or wear a vest or a button suit coat because you're not going to be able to take a normal length tie, a standard length tie, with a regular neck, I have a 16.5 inch neck, and have it come down where you want it to right here at the tip of your belt buckle. You just can't do that with a tornado knot. So I'm going to go a little bit shorter here, and we're going to take some of this slack out of this tie. We're going to just kind of push up in the middle and bunch it up here. And we take the back of the tie over the front of the tie first. Then we come around back to where we started. Then we take the tip of the back of the tie, this part right here, and we're going to take it down through, and we're going to tidy that up. Okay? Now we want to come around the front of the tie, and then back through the back, down and through, and then we're going to come down through that little flap we just created, kind of like tying I call this the reverse full Windsor. I actually may tie this knot and make it the James Akers knot. Anyway, check this out. So we've actually got what looks like a reverse full Windsor. How cool is that? So now, here's where the fun on tornado starts. What we've done is we've created this base here. We've got this nice little triangle that we built our base upon. And now we're going to take and wrap around to create a tornado effect. So we're going to take behind the tie, and here's where it gets complicated. You're going to take and squeeze the tie together and flip it over. So you're starting with the crease at the top, and we're going to work our way up the tie, going around, keeping everything folded together just like it is now, around, keeping it together, and then around again, trying to keep it all together. And now we get up to the top, and we're just going to take this and go down the collar here with it, okay? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the collar down, just so I can trap that a little bit. Told you guys, it's a complicated knot. Get the collar down. Okay, now we got the collar down. Now we can actually tidy it up a little bit, okay? So we want to take this part here, and we're going to pull it up towards the top, and then run this back under the collar. Tighten the tie up just a little bit. And then we're just going to take and match all this up together. So we have a nice circular tornado looking motion on our tie. Now we have a tornado knot. See how it looks like a little tornado going up and off to the side? So that's a tornado knot. So today we're wearing an Eton shirt, and I'm pairing that with an Hermes belt. See how short that is? But watch what I can do here. Hold on one second. I'm wearing an Zegna Suit. It's a charcoal gray with pinstripes. So what I'm going to do, because of the shortness of the tie, show off the tornado knot, is I'm just going to button my coat up. There we go. There's your tornado knot. Hope you like it. Check out my Instagram, Tie Guy James Akers. You'll see some close-ups of the whole outfit. You'll see close-ups of the knot. You'll see how the tornado looks up close and personal. And if you like the video, please click subscribe and like. Appreciate you guys. I'm ready to work.